Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today. Let's make quick delicious breakfast. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Also like and share this video. To make our bread toast, first you need to make your salad. Add your cabbage in your mixing bowl, your carrots, your green spring onion, your cucumber, add your chopped tomatoes, green pepper, then add your egg. So next, go ahead and add your mayonnaise. After adding your mayonnaise, use a spatula to mix everything together. So for today's recipe, I'm going to be using 6 slices of bread for 3 persons. So first, take out 1 slice of bread, spread your chili sauce on it, then add your salad mixture on the bread. Use your spatula to spread it on your bread, then top it up with half boiled egg, then place your cheese slice, then place 1 slice bread on top of it, then set it aside. Keep repeating the same process until you finish everything. So next, spread soft butter on the bread. Make sure you are using unsalted butter if you want your bread toast to come out very well. Continue repeating the same process until you finish everything. So after you are done spreading butter on your bread, then sprinkle some Italian mixed pizza spices on the bread. So once you are done, arrange the bread in your air fryer pan. So this air fryer can only contain 4 slices of bread at a time, so I'm going to toast the remaining 2 after this. Toast your bread for at least 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, my bread toast is ready. As you can see, it came out very nice and yummy. And don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do subscribe after watching this video. A big shout out to all my new and old subscribers. Thanks to you all for always supporting this channel. So see you guys on my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.